What's up YouTube, TMZ1313 here. Today I just got my big solar setup. You notice that? I didn't say small solar setup. So I got my solar setup. As you can tell, it looks a lot different. And I've been working on it for the past 2 nights. Finally got it pretty decent for what it is. Still gotta do more work, of course, but it's slow progress. That's gonna happen over and over. I still need a fuse for this amplifier inverter. I'm not too worried about it too much at the moment because I know it's not going to short out and I'm not going to overpower it. But I do need to get one pronto. I do want to get a breaker, but that's $50 for that breaker because it's a double pole breaker. $50, man. So I'll probably go to Myers or Walmart or something and get just a small amp fuse to put on there for now until I can save up enough money to get a big breaker, and I will set it on there. I did just put this breaker in here just to fill this in because these breakers want to kind of tilt because of these thick gauge wires. So yeah. Now, if you did notice, I did cut that board a little. It used to come out here, and as you can see, I actually got a vent fan going in now. I'm not gonna open it because this is actually wet paint, but I do have a DC fan in there, and that DC fan's blowing it outside. I'll show you that in a second. Right now I'm just running my fridge off my system. I kind of had it on standby today, mainly because I had to take everything down and wire it back up, and I wasn't home this morning, and I don't like running full power if I know, it makes me nervous. I just want to make sure everything's good. So I had everything off, and I just let the system be on standby for now until I got home. But everything's good. It's running good. Got my solar panel wires. Actually, I gotta clip those. I meant to do that. Got those zip tied and stuff. Let me show you outside this battery box vent that I want to show you guys. Don't mind the mess. I mean, as you can tell, I've been got a lot of stuff going on here. This is basically just everything that I had to get this going, but it looks really good. I'm really happy with the outcome. Still gonna get some few more things. So let's take a look outside. I'll show you what's going on out there. Well, there's my solar panels. I don't know if I showed you guys that or not, but here's the wire that is coming from solar panels. I'm going to tidy that up a little bit more. I just need a little bit more time. I do need to figure out where to put all these wires. I can't stick my hand underneath this panels to get in there, but I'm probably going to have to take the bottom row off to lift it up and zip tie them in there. I'll need some help with that. But here's my battery vent. Not too much to it. Let's see if you could really feel the air moving. That doesn't show anything. That doesn't show anything either. Well, I don't know if you heard the air moving, but it's moving a lot of air. Right now, let me get back inside real quick. Don't mind the mess. Got a mess everywhere. Right now, I got the fan hardwired into the batteries. I want to find something that I could either have a timer on or something like that. But until then, it's just going to be hardwired. It only takes 0.05 milliamps, so not much at all. So I'll probably just have it run constantly for right now. But yeah, guys, a lot of progress going. hope you guys see my last video. I made a 5 kilowatts or 5 kilowatt hours and a 1,000 watt peak. Like I said, today my system was on standby, so I had 8 hours of float, 1 hour absorb, got amp peak of 11.6 kilowatt hours of 1 amp or 1 kilowatt hours. So not much today. Like I said, it was on standby for the most of the day, so didn't really get much. But yesterday, I don't even know. I can't get yesterday because I can't get yesterday because I unplugged it to reroute everything and paint the board and everything. So, but yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get all the notifications. I will see you guys there. Have a good one.